So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll cover this amazing lab. So simply click on start lab, and if you're new to this channel, do like the video and just subscribe the channel. Now just come over here to task number 1, right click over here and open an incognito window. Now click on sign in. Now from here just copy the username, copy the password, click on I understand. From here just go to Google Forms, click on blank form, remove this unwanted pop-up, come over here, and from here we have to update the title. So just update the title over here. Once it is added, add the description. Now after that we have to add the required question. So just update it. It's a short answer and we have to mark it as required. Now click on this duplicate, and here we have to update last name required. First name, last name added. Now click on this plus icon, and from here we have to add questions. Email address, short answer, again plus, select this entire content, paste over here, and this time we have to select checkboxes. Now what you need to do, copy everything from here to here. Now once all these things are added, we have to add another question in the form of short answer. Just follow as I'm doing. So all these things are successfully done, right? Now we have done. Now what we need to do, just go to the publish and just publish it. Once it is done, come back over here. Let's see the score, whether we are able to get the score or not. So we have to get the score. For the score, we need to come to the responses tab. From here, click on link sheet, create a sheet. Now the sheet will open over here. Now click on this file option. Wait a second, click on the file option, import, upload. Now in the description box, I've shared this file. You have to simply download it. Click on this button to download. Now come back again to the sheet page, and from here just drag and drop, or you can simply upload it. Okay. Now from here just click on replace spreadsheet and import data. Now once the data is loaded, come back again to the lab instruction and simply check the score for each task. So like this we completed the lab. If you still have any doubts, do let him in the comment section. Do like the video and just subscribe the channel for more.